I just got this brand new sling to use as an everyday carry flight bag, and I'm excited to share it with you today.
And if you like these relaxing minimalist packing videos, be sure to like and subscribe.
This is the Indie from Andar. This is not a sponsored video, but full disclosure, Andar did send me this bag as well as the Pilot wallet, which we'll see a little bit later. If you're not familiar with the brand, they got their start in 2015 in Arizona, and they focus on handcrafted everyday carry goods created with premium full-grain leather. This little sling bag has such a high-quality look and feel, and you can see that it's made to last with its durable and tough leather exterior. This is a huge upgrade from my usual Uniqlo round mini sling, and I'm so happy to have it as a more premium option when I want to smarten up my look. The bag has a small zipper exterior pocket, a large main zipper compartment with two smaller pockets. They look to be about the size of an AirPod case. And then another interior zipper pocket. The bag is 8 inches in width, 5 inches in height, and 2.5 inches in depth. It also features a canvas strap and brass hardware. And this really nice buckle. I've wanted a bag like this because it's convenient and easy to use at the airport. This bag in combination with a simple tote is a great way to travel minimally. The tote bag will carry my clothes, while the sling will hold everything I need to go through security and during the flight. The sling can also double as my everyday carry when I arrive at my destination. If you like this bag as much as I do, be sure to click the link in the description below. This will take you to Andar's website where you can use the discount code Out in the Lights for 15% off your total order. So now that you've seen the bag, let's take a look at what I will be packing inside of it for my trip. First off is the Pilot wallet from Andar. And like the Indie bag, this wallet is made with premium full-grain leather, and it's wrapped around an aluminum case. There's a spot on the outside of the wallet to hold one card. On the back, there's a strap where you can hold your cash. And then there's the main area that holds 6 cards. This area is super cool because if you push this button to the side that's on the bottom of the wallet, your cards pop right out for easy access. I'll also be bringing along my phone. I usually keep my phone and wallet in my pockets, but it's so much easier to just keep them in the bag, especially when going through security at the airport. Next up is my passport. I'll also be bringing along a notepad and pen, as I find it handy to just be able to jot things down. Next is my wired headphones and adapter. Lastly, I'll be bringing this amazing little piece of technology, the PO33KO from Teenage Engineering. This is a micro sampler and such a fun thing to use while flying. You can sample by using this external mic, or you can plug in from an external source to get your sample. Then you kind of just mess around with the drums and bass and create a song. This one's probably not a keeper, but you get the idea of how cool this portable music creation device really is. So now that we've looked at everything that I'm bringing along, it's time to pack everything up. And I'll start by putting my headphones and cords in the outside pocket. Then I'm going to open up the larger main compartment and place everything else right in there. And as you can see, it all fits pretty perfectly. So there you go. I'm all ready for my next trip.